Hey there! In today's video, what we will look at together is how to download and use the Bypass Unlock tool for the Mac version. Watch this video to the end. If you have an iPhone with an iCloud activation lock, this video will be useful for you. By using a Mac laptop, you can easily download this software and bypass or activate unlock. Watch this video to the end. Now let's go straight to the video. Before starting the video about the Bypass Unlock tool, let's read a few things about it. The Bypass Unlock tool is a software known for unlocking iCloud activation locked iPhones and iPads, as well as passcode locked iPhone and iPad devices. This software is excellent and stable, supporting various iPhones and the latest models ranging from iPhone X to iPhone 17 Pro Max and up to iOS 26.3.1. The Bypass Unlock tool is very easy and simple to use, with no difficulties whatsoever. It is a tool that can unlock devices very accurately and quickly. This tool is a well-known software for activating iPhone and iPad devices, and it is highly efficient and reliable. This software supports both Windows and Mac versions, making it very easy and simple to use. If you want to download this software, you can get it from the official website. Now we open the browser right away and type bypassunlock.online to go into their official website and download the tool. Then, as soon as we enter bypassunlock.online, a pop-up message appears. This is a Telegram join message. If you haven't joined yet, please join the Bypass Unlock official Telegram. Join this channel so that when there are new updates, they are released and reach you. Since I've already joined, I'll skip over it, but if you haven't, please join. When we skip that hear the page of official Bypass Unlock website, I see a download for Mac option right in front of me. This means since I'm on a Mac, the download for Mac option is showing up for me. You, however, might see a download for Windows option if you are on a Windows PC when watching this video. But since I'm a Mac user, it says download for Mac. I'll download the software by clicking that button. Okay, as soon as I press the download for Mac option, it gives me a choice. As you can see, it lets me choose whether to download for a Mac OS with an Intel chip or for a Mac OS with a silicon chip. So depending on your Mac computer, if the chip is Intel, select Intel, or if it's a modern silicon chip, select silicon. For now, I'll select silicon and download it. As you can see, the file has finished downloading. Since it's all set, we'll head over to the Downloads folder to find the tool, install it, and walk through the installation process together. So after navigating to your Downloads folder and finding that zip file, the first thing you'll want to do is right-click on it and extract or archive it to get the actual tool folder ready. After you finish extracting, right-click the folder to open it up. Inside, you'll find the Bypass Unlock tool and the installation guide, which is super important for getting things set up right. Let's go through those details one by one to make sure everything's perfectly clear. You can use this manual to read the troubleshooting section and run the software easily. It's very useful, so don't skip it without reading. Now that we've gone through that and you've read the guide, let's right-click on the tool and select Open. Once you open it, the tool launches just as you see on the screen. It's incredibly straightforward and simple to install. This is the Bypass Unlock tool, specifically version 5.2.1 for the Mac version. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and you can easily bypass or unlock a phone that is activation locked. For the Windows version, the tool is version 7.5.2, which you can also download by going to the site. Then you simply activate and bypass your phone with it. That's all for today's video, and in the next video, we'll look at how we can actually activate our phones using this exact tool. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.